everyone, my name is Kishori Abdar, Department of Computer Science from SGM College, Karan. Okay, today I am going to deliver lecture on C programming. Today we see a basic program of C language. Let's see our first program to print hello world. Okay, our first is #include stdio.h. You know, for C programming we need to insert some header file. First one is stdio.h. stdio.h means standard input output header file. Okay, #include, it creates a background for programming. Okay, hash is also called as preprocessor. Okay, next one is int main, our main function. Every C program consists of at least one main function, and actual execution of the program starts from main function. Okay, int is the data type. Here we also use void data type, which is empty data type. Okay, next curly bracket open. Inside the curly bracket we write body of the program. First one is printf statement. Okay, there are two formatted input output functions. First one is printf and input function is a scanf. Okay, program is that here we want to print hello world. Okay, for that we use printf statement, which is formatted output statement. Syntax is printf bracket open double quotation. Inside the double quotation we write whatever statement we require, curly bracket close semicolon. Okay, and next one is return 0. Return 0 means it does not return any value. To hold the screen, here we use getCH function. Okay, to hold the screen, here we use getCH function and curly bracket close. Okay, let's see what is the output of that program. Here is the output of that program is hello world. Okay, this is very basic program of C language. Okay, here we only use output function. Okay, here we only use output function, which is printf. Okay, let's see another program. Program name is C program to perform addition of two number. Okay, here we perform addition of two number. For performing addition we require two number. First number is A and second number is B. Okay, for first let's see, here we define header file stdio.h, which consists of input output function, which means printf and scanf function. Okay, another header file is conio.h. long form is console input output function, which consists of getCH function. Okay, let's see, here we define our main function, curly bracket open. Inside the curly bracket we define variable. Okay, what is the syntax of variable declaration? Is that data type space name of the variable. Okay, and semicolon. For to perform addition we need to define three variable. First, here we define variable A for first number, variable B for second number, and variable sum to store addition of that two number. Okay, means A and B. Here we define integer data type. There are various data types in C language. Okay, first here we use integer data type. We store whole number. Another data type is character, to store character. For that purpose we use char data type. Okay, another one is float data type. Suppose we want to store decimal point value. For that purpose we use float data type. Okay, let's see, here we define three variable. Here we use printf function. Inside the printf, here we use \n. Okay, what is mean by \n? It is a new line character. Suppose we want to print line on new line. Okay, suppose we want to print statement on new line. For that purpose we use \n. Okay, our first statement is enter two number. Okay, first statement is enter two number. Here we take value from the user. Which value? Value of A and value of B. Next, scanf function is an input function. Here we use format specifier. For integer data type, format specifier is D. Okay. For float data type, format specifier is %f, and for character data type, format specifier is %c. Okay. Why we use here two format specifier? Because here we define two variable a and b. Whenever we are going to declare variable, memory allocate space for that variable. Okay. Memory allocate space for that variable. Here we define two, first one a and second one is b. Okay. Here we enter two values. Suppose I enter 5, value of a and value of b is 6. Okay. For scanf, this memory consists of some memory address. Okay. Here we take memory address 24 and 26. How we can access that value of the variable? With the help of its address. Okay. For that purpose we here take address operator. Address of a and address of b. Next we perform actual addition. Sum is equal to a plus b. Okay. And we want to print addition of that two number. For that purpose we take another printf function sum %d comma name of the variable and at the end return 0. Otherwise we will use getCH function curly bracket close. Okay. Let's see what is output. Here we take enter two number. Our first printf statement is enter two number. Here I enter 5 and 6. After that it perform the addition and print sum is equal to 11. Okay. Suppose we take another example a minus b. Okay. Suppose I want to perform subtraction. What's the difference? We change only operator. Okay. We use only minus operator. For multiplication we use multiply symbol, and for division we use division, and another arithmetic operation is modulo division. Okay. Program is same, but difference is that we need to change operator. Okay. Let's see another program. See program to perform all arithmetic operation. Okay. Here we perform all arithmetic operation. Which one? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. These are the arithmetic operation. Okay. Let's see. Our structure of program is same. First we include header files. Next our main function, curly bracket open. Here we define variable. Okay. First one is data type number 1, number 2. Okay. Here we define two number. Next one sum for addition, subtraction, multiplication and modulo division. Okay. Data type is also integer. But for division we use float data type because division is in a floating point number. Okay. Next take printf function enter any two number. Here we take two numbers from the user for to perform all arithmetic operation. Let's see scanf format specifier for number 1 and number 2. Okay. Here we perform all arithmetic operation. Okay. Next here we define actual operation. Sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Subtraction is equal to number 1 minus number 2. Multiplication same like that and division. Okay. After that we print addition of that two number, difference of or subtraction of that two number, product means multiplication of that two number, quotient means division of that two number and modulo division. Okay. At the end return 0 and curly bracket close. Okay. Let's see what is the output of that program. First our first printf statement is enter two number. Here I enter 20 and 10. Then it prints actual addition is 30, difference is 10, product is 200, quotient is 2 point dot 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 and modulus is 0. Okay. Here we define float data type. That's why number is in a decimal point. Okay. Thank you.